And today we have a set of the world's best pencils. This company has been recommended many times when I've bought school supplies, and that's exactly what this is, a school supply unboxing. So inside of here you get 24 number 2 pencils. You can see all 24 there in a row of 3. These pencils do not come sharpened, so at least this set doesn't. Includes your eraser on the back, and they are nice, strong, and considered the best pencil. So that'll do it for this pencil unboxing. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.